Hi guys, this is Mish and welcome to my channel. Thank you for being with me today, and it's nice to be back. So today we are going to do a quick unboxing video, and as you can see, it is something from Louis Vuitton, and I got this from Louis Vuitton boutique inside Saks Fifth Avenue. So anything you buy from Louis Vuitton at Saks Fifth Avenue, you would still get the Louis Vuitton box, ribbons, as well as the official receipts, because it is still a Louis Vuitton boutique inside Saks. So don't worry about not getting them. Okay, so let's open this. And what we have here is this very pretty Louis Vuitton Monogram Denim Shawl or blanket scarf in color blue. This shawl is made of jacquard woven fabric, and it is very soft and luxurious to touch. This shawl also features the LV signature logo as well as the monogram patterns, and they are in grayish tone. So in combination with the denim blue color, it looks very subtle in design, yet very stylish at the same time. This shawl is huge. It measures 56.1 inches high by 56.1 inches long, so it is of substantial size. This shawl can be used year-round as a light cover-up during spring, summer, and fall, and as an underneath layer during the colder months of winter. And this is also perfect to use when you travel as a fancy cover-up inside the plane or at the airport. Overall, this is a very good buy, and I highly recommend it to anyone who would like to invest in this designer scarf. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked, share, subscribed, and don't forget the notification. See you next time.